Welcome to Computer Keys Tutorials. In this video, I will be giving you a quick overview of kLink. kLink provides companies with all the necessary tools to manage and host a secure content delivery service on the IBM I. Much like online banking, kLink allows users to register their own online accounts and then log in to retrieve documents that have been made available to them on the host company's integrated file system, or IFS. Any device with an internet browser can be used to access the kLink server. We have a sample server running, so you can log in and try out the end-user experience yourself. The login information to the server is provided on our website at www.ckeys.com in the kLink section under the Demo tab. I already logged into the server in my other tab, so I'll go back to that now. When a user is logged in, they have access to folders that are marked public on the host company's IFS, as well as any private folders that they have registered links to. These 4 folders are marked public. Within the Invoices folder on the IFS are tons of private folders named with different customer numbers, but since this account is only registered to one of those links, it only displays the I522 folder. kLink can be set up so that an administrator is in charge of registering all links to the accounts, or it can be configured so that the users can add or remove the links themselves from the My Account area. A validation system asks questions and will compare a user's answers to internal files to make sure a user is who they say they are and is allowed to register for a particular link. Companies can provide all sorts of documents, and users can log in and retrieve them at their convenience. The kLink system also provides a method for automating communication between a host company and its users. Customizable applications called extensions can be added to the top of the kLink user interface. Extensions can be easily configured to perform any conceivable task that is possible on the IBM I. I'll show you a sample extension to give you an idea of the power and versatility of the kLink system. This extension is a conglomeration of multiple extension ideas lumped into one. Its purpose is to show you some of the varying types of information that can be asked for or provided through extensions. kLink has many more possibilities than what I will present here. Extension screens, such as this, are completely customizable within the kLink page creator. Shortcuts are provided to create drop-down lists, checkboxes, radio buttons, password fields, header fields, normal text, and input fields, which can accept anywhere from 1 to 1,000 characters. The page creator also recognizes HTML tags for further refinement during screen creation. This first section of the extension demonstrates some of the ways a user can request that a document be generated and delivered through kLink. There is a list for selecting the document type and a field for entering a document number. Users can select checkboxes for the document to be emailed, faxed, or placed directly into their kLink folder after it is automatically generated by the system. When a user clicks Submit at the bottom of the extension, there is a validation check to make sure that they are allowed access to the document they requested, and an error message will be delivered if they do not pass this test. Since I am logged in, the kLink system knows my email and other account data, so it is able to autofill this field for me. I could also change the receiving address if I wanted to. The second section demonstrates how a user can provide information back to the kLink system, such as by filling out a survey or through an order form. In this case, we have provided a feedback section. The user selects what type of feedback they are sending with these radio buttons, and then fills in this large input field with the details of their description. Here's a drop-down list for letting the user rate their recent service experience. At the bottom, a change of address form is provided to let users update their customer info if they have moved. A real extension probably wouldn't have asked for all of this on one screen, but this gives you an idea of the types of things that a user could provide. This final section demonstrates how extensions can provide pop-up information directly on the screen of a user's mobile device. If I enter a tracking number, it will display the status of my order in a pop-up message when I click Submit. If I check this box, the extension will chain out to an appointment program, and then let me know if there are any available appointment times today. The last checkbox connects to a delivery schedule program and lets me know when my package will arrive. Different notifications for the 3 sections have been sent to my screen as a pop-up. My invoice reprint has been processed, my customer feedback has been received, and the order for my tracking number has been shipped. All of this still only scratches the surface of what is possible with kLink. Emails with or without attachments can be generated and sent to a user or out on a user's behalf. Files can be printed or faxed. Text messages can be sent. Applications can even be configured to allow employees to remotely initiate business processes at any time with just the touch of a button on their mobile devices. For an in-depth look at how to set up your own kLink server, click on the annotation on the left side of your screen. To see how simple it is to configure your own custom extensions, click on the annotation on the right side of your screen. These links are also available in the video description. Thank you for watching. You can visit us at computerkeys.com to download a free 30-day trial of kLink or any of our other complete software packages.